Hi everyone, this quick video is going to show you how you can open up and look at and leave comments on a Google document. So commenting is really great because if you are sharing a document with a client or a team member, instead of emailing them back and forth or texting them, you can leave a comment on the document if you have a question, which is really awesome. So first you have to actually have text. So I'm going to type in a quick text because otherwise it won't let you comment if it's an empty document. But you have text there. So you want to go up to this little, looks like a thought bubble up here and click on it. And first of all, it gives you in notifications of any other comments, but the comments actually pop up on the side. So there's a couple ways to give comments. First, you can go up here to the thought bubble and then just click add a comment. And then maybe you could type in, what does this mean? Can you clarify for me? And then comment. Okay. Now you can resolve that. If it's been resolved, you've talked to them, maybe you spoke to them, you can simply resolve that and then it goes away. You can also right click it and delete it as well, which is awesome. You can edit the comment if you need to change it. Maybe you need to do whatever. And if you see a comment pop up, you can click on it and you can actually reply to the person. That means, and then you click reply and it shows up. So it's almost like a little chat box situation. It's pretty cool. You can actually link to this comment too, which is cool. You can make a link out of it and copy it and send it to them also. So this is really great for those of you who have teams or you're trying to communicate with a client and they prefer not to text and email, and you want to simplify that communication. You can simply work in comments here and you can see it just opens up a bigger space on the right on the margins for you to do that. So I'm going to delete that, and you can delete it really easily. And as you add text, you can actually highlight what you want and then click on the comments and then add a comment, and there it is. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If you guys have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much.